share and comment. If you like any design, then please tell me in comment section.